Hello everyone, welcome to Parliament SEO channel, and today's video we are diving into the world of technical SEO, and we are focusing specifically on XML sitemaps. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Now let's get started with the first question that we normally get related to XML sitemaps. So the first question is, what is the purpose of an XML sitemap and SEO? So to answer this question, let me give you a brief overview of what are XML sitemaps. So XML sitemaps, just like you can see on my screen, it's a kind of map. Remember when you go to a big shopping mall, they have a map on the first floor or on the ground floor, I would say, on the ground floor normally. In big shopping malls, they have frequent maps of the mall everywhere so that you don't get lost there. Why are they present there? It's because they want you to not get lost while you are shopping in that shopping mall. They have listed everything, every floor. So that's a great idea to understand. A great example to understand the sitemap, the purpose of a sitemap and what is sitemap. Sitemap is similar kind of thing for a website. So in a website, you give search engines like Google to a map of your website, like how does your website look like, how many posts, pages and videos you have on your website. So the purpose, XML sitemap plays a crucial role in search engine optimization. It serves as a roadmap for search engines, helping them understand the structure of your website and the relationships between different pages. So fundamentally, it's a way to communicate directly with search engines, ensuring they index your content accurately and efficiently. So I hope you got an idea of what are sitemaps and why what is the purpose of having them. So and then so the next question obviously is how to create an XML sitemap for a website. It's a more practical question, I would say. So uh, creating a site XML sitemap is really relatively straightforward process. You can use various tools and platforms. So one of the most common methods is through the use of plugins for content management systems like WordPress. In my case, I'm using WordPress, and you can see on the screen we have used RankMate WordPress SEO plugin to generate a sitemap for us. It is where you can see on the screen as well. It says it is what search engines like Google use to crawl and recrawl posts, pages, products, images, archives on your website. So you can learn more about sitemaps on their on the website sitemap .org as well. If you can go to that website, yeah. This is a good example to kind of know what it is exactly. So that's these plugins, and then there are other options as well, like all-in-one SEO plugin as well, and then there is Yoast SEO plugin as well. So there are different options. You can even use an online tool. You could just search on Google for sitemap creator, and you will get one. So and then uh, the next question is, what are the key elements that should be included in an XML sitemap for better search engine visibility? That's the most one of the most important questions that we get in our daily life from our internal teams and from our clients as well. So the key elements that should be included in your XML sitemap to enhance search engine visibility are, uh, you need to ensure few things, like you need to ensure that all essential pages are included. This typically means your main content, blog posts, and any other significant pages you have included those. Additionally, you can provide information like the last modification date and the frequency of updates for each page, helping search engines prioritize scrolling. So if you look at the sitemap that I'm showing here, it says post sitemap, page sitemap, and video sitemaps. So that's I would not say the perfect sitemaps that we have. We are obviously looking for more rooms for improvement, but this is a simple example, and you can see there are lost modified dates as well. So yeah, that's this basically about sitemaps. So if you have any other question, you can just ask in the comment, and then I will answer those. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. In the meanwhile, you can subscribe to our channel, and if you want any of our help, you can use the links in the description to reach out to me and to the whole team. Thanks once again.